Please give me a sign if you wanna come.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Alexander.
Alexander, hola!
Di, hola.
Hola.
I just want you guys to meet our pamangkin. Ano daw?
No, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo está bien?
Subscribe.
Di subscribe.
Ay, no. Don't subscribe. Alright guys, so papakilala niya sa atin ng mga schoolmates niya. Alam mo guys, ako, pag mayroon ako na-meet na tao, hindi ko nga ma-memorize. Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan nila. Pero this kid, papakilala nila, papakilala niya sila.
Mira.
¿Cuántos años tienes primero?
3.
Tres daw siya. No, tres.
Ahí, 3.
Sí. A ver.
Naomi, Dario, Elizabeth, Enzo, Elimi, Sofía, Álvaro, Antonio, Daniel, Lucia, Marcos, Aunia, Lucia, Ainhoa.
Venga, sigue.
Ainhoa, Lucia, Thiago, Kemer, Victoria, Emma, Alexander.
¡Yay!
Muy bueno.
Muy bien.
¡Qué chulo! Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Ayan. Alright guys, so yun. So anyways, I know this is a parang late na unboxing, super late, pero tagal ko nang gusto magkaroon ng Nintendo Switch. Hindi to sponsored, sana nga sponsored, pero eto na. I've been wanting to have one and we decided to get 2. Why not? Ayun.
Oh, stop.
Ayun. So, I got the Super Smash Bros. Edition ng Nintendo Switch. So, bubuksan natin.
Oh, I have the Nintendo Switch Lite. Yan, Pokemon Edition.
Pokemon Edition! Meron din kami ng limited edition na Pokemon!
Okay, let's start.
Serious mo naman!
Oh, let's start.
Ano, let's start. So anyway,
Let's start with this one.
So dalawa yung
I'm
game.
kinda excited what's in there.
Wow. So, dalawa siya. Sana nga mura pero hindi din. By the way, this cost 100 euros. Special edition siya. Buksan natin. Ikaw na magbukas.
Tada!
Tada! Ito na yun. Bye!
So we have Pokemon Sword, Espada, and Pokemon Shield, Escudo.
Yung problem lang guys, kung Spanish din yung game na binili namin, siya lang makakaintindi, ako hindi.
Hindi, naka-English yun eh. Tapos meron siyang ito pala yung special niya.
Special steelbook.
Face.
Ayun!
So it's in gold.
I love gold, so... Yan. Ayan. Tapos may mapa siya ng Pokemon. Yeah. I've been a Pokemon fan ever since.
Ayan ba, it comes with 2 Pokemons then. Depende which
So, pili ka. Pikit ka.
Hindi, dapat wait lang.
Pikit ka. Sino makakakuha ng isa? Pikit.
Ako pipili, ikaw pipili.
Ikaw pipili. Pikit. Pikit! Ba't ka nakabilat? Pikit!
Wait lang, ikaw na lang. Malas ako sa ganyan.
Go, pikit! Oh, go! Pili ka!
Baka ibigay mo yung ayoko eh. Wait lang! Asan ba? Laptop ko yun. Go.
Oh.
Wait, I'm gonna feel it first!
Ayan na, feel it.
I'm gonna feel it first.
Ano yung feel mo? Oh, feel. Ito yung isa. Oh.
Parang gusto ko yun.
Ayan, go! Buksan mo mo. Yes! Hindi, mas gusto ko naman talaga to eh.
Ito yung gusto ko. This is what I want. Yung espada.
So, gusto muna natin tong game.
Ah, okay.
Wait, ano yung Pokemon ng isa? Ba't mo binabalik? Unboxing nga. So, dalawa na yun. Tagal natin magbukas. Na. Buksan mo na ang iyong Switch.
Nintendo Switch Lite. Okay. Open.
Kaba muna.
Okay.
Go!
Dun.
Sorry guys kung may mga tinga-tinga kayo nakikita kasi kakakain lang namin. Wow!
Okay, I'm gonna open this first before this one.
Sige tayo, hype ako.
Excited ako. Dun.
Wait lang. 220 kaya yan o 110? Dapat 220 kasi dito yun, diba?
Oh, supposedly. And...
Wow!
But I was supposed to get the yellow one, diba? Pero ito yung in-offer.
Wow!
Start.
Wow! Wait lang ako muna. Hintay mo ako.
Okay.
Sa akin is Super Smash Bros. Gusto ko na talaga bumili ng ganito pero sabi ko, parang wala akong kalaro. So now may kalaro ako. Ayan guys yung opening ng box. Excited ako guys! Tapos, ako nga pala guys, ito yung parang kantong edition. Yan. Gray din siya. So parang napakasimple mo sa akin. So, tinanggal ko na. Ayan, sa loob ng box.
Nahulog pala yan.
Nahulog. Tapos meron tayong free game, Super Smash Bros.
Kasi?
Ayan, tapos meron tayong ano to? Ito si ano, talagay ko si ganto. Ayan, meron tayong ganto. Kung naman yan. Tapos, ito is the converter yata to dun sa... Ay, ganda! Ayan. Ito yung lalagay mo dito si screen. Wow! So, ano ba yung nasa box? Grabe naman saksakan ito. Ay, hindi. Ito yung HDMI para dun sa kanina. Tapos same lang. Charger.
Wow!
Yun!
Parang gusto mo kayo magpalit. Mas malaki yung sa'yo.
Gaganon ka lang siya. Shing!
Magkano yan?
325.
Ay, kahit anong pinanggagas.
Okay guys, so after like I don't know, a long time, like 30 minutes, right? Like 30 minutes.
Which one? Yeah, it took us time to update.
Yeah, I think.
Almost an hour.
I think yeah. Yeah, it took us like an hour to update, maybe because of like the Wi-Fi, but I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's more of too much updates.
Yeah, there's a lot of update after an update, and there's another update, and there's like 4 or 5 updates, and then the game updates. I thought the game updated already, but yeah. So finally, after like an hour, we're ready for bed and clean up the room, and we're also eating some ice cream. We got hungry. We are good to go, and he's also unboxing his new laptop. Wow, wow. So yeah.
Yeah, because I broke mine. The previous one.
Also guys, I am very stoked. Finally, I've been seeing a lot of people having it, seeing it, and I've been seeing a lot of new games, and I was like, I don't know. I guess it's like a change of things. I used to play like a lot of PS4 games, and then I got bored with it, and then now like I'm out, but now like I said, like I'm gonna take a break from it. I want to change some things up. So yeah, I've been wanting to play a game. I've been wanting to play Pokemon again. So yeah, I'm excited for this new thing that I have, and I'm excited for the new Pokemons. I can't wait to see the new Pokemons that they're gonna have, that I'm gonna see, and the legendary Pokemons, the storyline, and everything else. So I'm really excited. I don't know if I can still play this game. It's been a long time, but yeah. So we'll just have fun for now.
Alright guys, so this is like 2 more days left. There's like pretty much 2 more days left here in Spain, so but apparently I just started Pokemon again, so we're gonna try to catch it as many as we can.
I think it's only up to 1 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna go around. Wait. So this event only lasts until 2 p.m. So we're gonna try to make most of it. Pero ang lamig sa sobrang rush namin, sa sobrang excited namin. Lumabas kami na hindi kami prepared. Ang lamig. By the way guys, in the future I believe, or I guess I do want to live here. I guess this is one of the countries that I want to live. Actually live. So here in Philippines. So I might stay here most of the time in a year. So yeah, I mean honestly guys, the places here and the architecture and pretty much everything else, it's what I really want and feels like my second home here. So I got magic card, but like you guys can see there's so many, we're like, I don't know where we are. So I just like caught a shiny. Oh my god! Okay guys, like literally we both started the same time as Pokemon when they started the Pokemon Go, but like after like 2 months I stopped and he just continued and he got all the legendary Pokemon. So I'm a loser. But since he was doing it, I'm doing it also, and since we started Pokemon, like since we started playing Pokemon again on Nintendo Switch, I started loving Pokemon again. Ayun! Meron akong nakita ang shiny. Mayroon ka ng egg. Yeah. Ang egg mo mag-hatch. Who's this Pokemon? Sa lamig? Ay, Eevee lang. Nandito kami sa the best spot na for churros, the #1 churros here in Spain, no?
Yeah, it's been open since 1894. It's there.
Binasa mo na. Let's go. Anyway, so we're gonna try this spot. I mean, it's my first time here, but I've... It is. Okay. Anyways, it's my first time here, but I've already tried the churros here in Spain. It's one of my favorites already. I think it's been for like a week that I would go and grab some churros.
Chocolate. The churros. Thank you. Que aproveche. Gracias. Yeah, there you go.
Ayun na.
Yeah, that's the usual shape ng churros that you see before. No?
It's not the usual one, and usually there's like sugar and stuff, but I think you can have like a sugar thing, the one in Disneyland, but...
So that's what we call kilometro zero.
Kilometro zero. Kilometro zero. So ito yung pinaka-center? So yun daw yung binibase sila na sentro ng Spain, right? Diba?
No, this is the whole centro. Pero yun yung parang pinaka-gitna.
Ayun nga! Ano ba sabi ko?
I just got shiny shinks. Shiny shinks, guys. Shinks.
Kali ko na pala love si shinks. Ton. With a view. So unfortunately, sarado yung park. Although we've been here multiple times already. Ang laki kasi nito, it's beautiful, it's massive. Unfortunately, it's closed for some reason. We're trying to find another place to shoot. And especially for the lookbook. Hello, shiny! Ay, shiny! You got the shiny from the egg.
Nice.
Wow!
Standing on the edge of a cliff, there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end.